Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome you all to my channel, my recipe notebook. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am here with a dessert recipe. This is one of my easiest and favorite dessert whenever I have any gathering in my home. First I prepare jelly mix by adding water and keep in refrigerator to get set. Follow this packet instructions to prepare. Now let us take any of our favorite fruit. Here I have taken dragon fruit, mango, bananas, guava, apple and kiwi. This even tastes good when we add pineapple or strawberry. First, take a large bowl, add a thick cream. Here I use 3 packets of thick cream. We can also use fresh cream. For the sweetness, adding half a tin of condensed milk. Now start mixing. Mix it very well till we get the creamy texture. To this add 1 chopped mangoes. Chop the mangoes to the biting size. Adding banana. I have done fruits chopping earlier, so banana just changed its color. Adding kiwi and dragon fruit. Adding guava. I have removed the seeds as the seeds are hard to chew. Now goes green apple. We can also add pomegranate, strawberry, any of our favorite fruits. Now start mixing fruits with the cream. Mix it till they are well combined. We can also add more cream. It depends on our taste. I would like to consume more fruits. Do not add watermelon or oranges, as it releases its water and cream changes to more liquidy form. Add a cup of dry fruit. Here I have added figs, almond, dates, cashews, pista and raisins. Again start mixing. Mix it all together. In the end, before serving, add any flavory jelly. I like to add raspberry jelly as I love the taste and it looks more colorful. The cream fruit chat is ready now. We can keep this in the refrigerator for 2 hours or can serve immediately. This is a wonderful dessert option because it is quick and easy to make. The most important thing is that we cut the fruits into bite size so that the dessert is easy to eat. This can be also served in the iftar tables. After making always a fruit custard, do try this. If you like my recipe, please press like button. And those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.